Hey there, if you're watching this channel, you probably have heard about Notion, the amazing tool that allows you to organize your work and information in one place. Just recently, Notion released a really exciting new feature called Notion Sites. I'm Taina Peräniemi, the founder of a leading Notion certified agency. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you what this new Notion Sites feature is about. The new Notion Sites allows you to create and publish websites on Notion super easily and quickly. You don't need any coding experience. You don't need website builders. You can basically just create a Notion page, make a little bit of tweaks, and then publish it to have your website done. This is a super easy way for you to transform your ideas into a website very, very quickly. In this video, I will guide you through the most important features of Notion Sites. The first and most important benefit of Notion Sites is definitely ease of use. You don't need to have any coding skills. You don't need to learn any complicated website editors to be able to publish your website. Basically, the process in creating a Notion site is simply that you create a Notion page, you arrange the layout as you want, and then you publish it with the appropriate settings. Another key benefit of Notion sites is customizability. Basically, you can start with different kinds of templates, or you can build it fully from scratch quickly. And using Notion's easy drag and drop editor, you can move things around, arrange the layout as you want it. Another key advantage of Notion sites is speed. You can basically have your website up and running in just minutes. And also making modifications and adjustments to your website later on will be super easy. You don't need to separately log into some website editor, make some complex modifications, but you can simply edit your Notion website as you edit any Notion page, and the changes can be made immediately. Finally, a key benefit of Notion sites is affordability. You can even publish a simple website for free, and if you pay for it, you will also have additional, more professional features such as a customizable header or integration with Google Analytics. It's also good to know that Notion Sites is not a fully featured website builder. It is not as versatile and as advanced as something like WordPress or some other tool specifically designed for website creation. You will have limitations when it comes to look and feel, use of themes. You cannot install plugins. Also, you will not have the possibility to modify metadata to the extent that more advanced tools allow you to do. But if you're looking for something quick and simple, something to make it super easy and streamlined for you to create and publish your website, Notion Sites is definitely a great option. Now let me walk you through the process of creating and publishing your website using Notion Sites. Here I have an example website landing page template created by Notion. So this is not one of my own, just something I picked from the Notion template library to save a little bit of time. You can either start with a template like this, and you also have the possibility of creating your page from scratch, obviously. But let's use this as a starting point. Using Notion's simple drag and drop editor, you can easily modify the page. We can get rid of these dividers here if we don't like those. We can move things around, make it bigger, remove this one. Once you're happy with how your Notion site looks, then it's time to publish. Publishing happens through this menu. So you will click share, and then you have the possibility of publishing here. When you click publish, that gives you a public address you can use for your Notion website. You can choose if you want to make your website discoverable on the web so that people can find it on Google. Under site customization, you can access some of the more advanced settings Notion offers. Here on the right-hand side, you can choose a favicon, which is the really small icon that shows up in your browser. You can design your header, whether or not show the breadcrumbs, search. If you purchase a custom domain, you also have the possibility of removing the Notion watermark. Under the navigation section, you can add other pages in your Notion workspace to appear in the header bar. You can also choose whether to use the light or the dark theme or system settings to choose. You can also upload an image to use as the share preview. And on the left-hand side, you will see how your published website is going to look. When you're ready, you just hit Publish Changes, and then your page is live. You have the free option of using a Notion URL. If you pay a little bit of extra, you can host your website on your custom domain. To wrap up, Notion Sites is amazing if you want to have a super easy and quick way to create and publish your website. You can create many different kinds of websites using Notion Sites. Some examples include portfolios, landing pages, job boards, event pages, help centers, blogs. Notion Sites makes it incredibly simple to create a website like that. But if you are looking for a full-featured, highly advanced website, you will need to look into some other tool than Notion Sites. I would love to hear what kind of website you're looking to create, and if you already have a Notion website up and running, please share in the comments. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to get more Notion tips and tricks, do subscribe to our channel. We would love to see you here again. Cheers!